the cheapest way from Narita Airport to Tokyo Station. You've just arrived at Narita Airport Terminal 2. Are you looking for the cheapest way to get to Tokyo Station? I'll show you. The cheapest and most convenient way to travel to Tokyo Station is this Limousine Bus. Purchase your ticket at this counter and go to the bus stop. You can get the bus at bus stop number 6 for me. The bus takes you straight from Narita Airport to Tokyo Station in about 65 minutes with comfortable seats and free Wi-Fi. If you sit on the right side of the bus, you can even see the Tokyo Sky Tree. You're ready to explore Tokyo! Yay!